Why did we stop? Good morning! I am so excited for the trip! Me too! I heard the amusement park is huge!
I want to ride the cable car.
Everyone, stay close together today.
Okay, Miss Lily. Hi! This will be the best school trip ever. I hope there are roller coasters. Look outside. The mountains are beautiful.
Wow! I can already see the park! Wow! This place is amazing!
It looks like a dream.
We must take the cable car to the mountain park. I've never ridden a cable car before. Are you nervous? A little. Excited, but excited too. This feels exciting already. It feels like we're flying.
I want to show Mom and Dad these pictures later.
We made it!
Let's go on rides! Rides!
This tastes so good. I wish today would never end. Everybody smile.
Cheese! The parent attire. The weather looks a little strange. Do you think it might rain?
Probably not. Let's enjoy the day.
The sky looks a bit darker now.
It's probably just clouds. Don't worry.
I have a strange feeling.
Why is it getting colder?
Maybe the weather is changing.
We need to return now. Weather warning is updated. It's getting windy.
We should hurry.
Everyone, move faster! I'm scared. Quick, get inside! I hope we get down safely. Don't worry. It will be fine. Stay seated and hold on tightly.
Why is it shaking a little? Guys, this doesn't feel normal anymore.
Why did we stop? Stay calm, everyone.
It's shaking even more.
Hold on tight. I'm so scared. We need to stay calm. Gaui, we will be rescued. Everyone, stay together! Don't separate! I'm here with you, Mia. This is getting worse!
Stay calm. Do not panic.
The cable! It's moving so much!
We need immediate rescue! Children are in danger! I'm so scared! I want my mom! It's okay. I'm here. We have to be brave.
The wind is getting stronger. Help is coming. Stay strong, everyone.
We move now! Children are still stuck!
Do you hear that? Yes. I think help is coming.
Stay strong. Rescue team is here.
They are coming, right?
Woo! We are almost there!
Look! Someone is coming!
Hold tight! We will get you out!
Emma, go slowly!
Hold my hand, Emma. You're safe now.
I'm scared, but I trust you. One by one. Stay calm. can see the ground. You're safe now. That was terrifying.
Mom. Dad. Please come soon. Is my family coming?
We already contacted all parents.
Percy jumps out 5 Phoenix volunteers of question.
Mom?
Emma! Mom.
My baby. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I was so scared.
Emma, you scared us.
I thought I would not see you again. Thank you for saving all the students. I will never forget today.